Hello children, welcome back. My name is Sonali and we had done CVC words earlier. I hope you all have done revision and found some new words as well. Let's do a quick recap of CVC words. I've got some wonderful pictures here. You see the picture and you have to tell me what this picture is. Okay, and I will stick the name. Okay. So what is this first picture of? Yes, it's a picture of bus. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Very good. Then what do we have next? What is this? Sun. Very good. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Then we have a picture of hen. Very good. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Then we have, what is this? Pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Then we have, what is this? Ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Then we have a picture of, what is this? Car. Very good. C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Then we have, what is this? A magician's hat. Very good. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. And then we have a picture of cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. And this is red. R-E-D, red. So this is a quick recap of CVC words that we have learnt earlier. Yes? Very good. So for exercise, I've got these two worksheets which we will do. If you all remember the vowels. Yes, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So this worksheet is where you have to fill in the vowels and make the word. So I will do one for you, which we will do today. And this worksheet I want you to do at home. And then we will make the words at home and then we will solve it later. So let's practice this one. So this is fill in the missing vowel. So what picture is this? Correct. So this is bat. So we write A. B-A-T, bat. Then what picture is this? You have S-N. So you have to see the picture and you have to write the missing vowel. So you will write S-U-N. Very good. S-U-N, sun. Next picture is, what is this? It's a box. So B-X. So what will come here? O. Very good. B-O-X, box. Then this picture is of a hat. H-T. So you have to fill in the vowel. H-A-T. A. Very good. H-A-T, hat. So this is an exercise worksheet and this worksheet you have to do at home. So the same way how we did this worksheet, you have to do the same worksheet where you have to fill in the vowels. You have to see the pictures and you have to fill in the missing vowel. Okay, this you have to do at home. Let's do an activity of CVC words. So all you need is a piece of paper. Any rough paper will do. You need a marker. You need a stapler. And you need some colored paper which is small, which is in the same size as this paper. So you cut it into these small squares and then we start writing the words. I will write one vowel and one consonant. So I will write U-N. And I will try to make words out of this vowel and consonant. So here what do I need? A consonant. So here I've got paper. So I will try and make first word I can make is Sun. Yes, I can make sun. So I'll write S here. Then I'll take another paper. And here I can write fun. Yes, fun. The next word I can write is maybe bun. B-U-N, bun. And this word I can write run. I can write R-U-N. After doing this, then all you have to do is take all these alphabets in here, take it together, take this white paper and put a stapler. So now you have new words to read with UN. So consonant, vowel, consonant. Sun, fun, bun, run. The same way you can make more CVC words like this: bat, mat, rat, cat. Then I have made cot, pot, dot, rot. Then I have made 10, hen, den, pen. And I have made I words also. So pin, tin, bin, fin. So I've made A, E, I, O, U. You see that? I've made all vowels. I've made activity flashcards for you to make as well. I hope you enjoy making them.